Welcome to Excel4Tally.com. In this video you will learn how to import Amazon MTR cells and return Excel data in Tally ERP.9 using our Excel4Tally.com. Click here register or sign up free Excel4Tally.com. If already registered, then click here sign in. Another option, sign in with Google. Select here template type, click try free. Click here to download the Amazon MTR cells and return sample. Insert new column and fill data as per Tally. Select template. Select company. If not created earlier, please create new company. Choose Amazon MTR cells and return Excel. Now click on Process Excel Records. It will automatically download XML output file. Now copy entire file location path. Click Import Data. Voucher option, import all voucher type data. Paste entire XML file location path. To paste, use Ctrl+Alt+V, press Enter. You can see data has been successfully imported in Tally. Click here Open File Location. Open tally.imp file for complete data import log. Thank you for watching. Amazon MTR cells and return data import in Tally ERP.9 using our Excel4Tally.com. Support help, support@Excel4Tally.com.